Stock up on strawberries and bring on the rainbow trout. Our built-in refrigerator is designed to keep even your wildest ingredients deliciously fresh and ready for anything, and adds style to your kitchen. The Preserva Food Care system creates such a friendly environment for your food, it actually keeps it fresh longer. 3 systems work together to create ideal conditions. Sequential dual evaporators create the perfect humidity level in the refrigerator and cold, dry air in the freezer. The produce preserver absorbs gases produced by certain foods to help delay the ripening process, which means your fruits and vegetables will stay fresh, leafy, and crisp longer. The Fresh Flow air filter keeps the air fresh too. It absorbs aromas and keeps them from spreading. And even when the refrigerator's doors are closed, it's designed to inspire. With its built-in style, it fits seamlessly into cabinetry. Add custom panels and it can blend in completely. And inside, the Platinum interior design sets the stage for your food, with silver walls set off by metal accents. Bright LED lighting makes everything easy to find. Drawers open smoothly even when they're full, with the Satin Glide system with soft, self-closing drawers. Now you can have a refrigerator designed from the outside in to inspire your freshest adventures. Thanks to KitchenAid.